What is good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Maha back again with another video. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing, hit that bell notifications to get notified every time I post a video. If you're interested in Infiniti content as well as Toyota Chaser content and as well as older classic Mustangs, we still have a Mustang at the shop. Bear with us, guys. The guys kind of taking their time with what they have to do. We're getting paint and body work done, but we wanted to be done properly, so we're not trying to rush them, but we're still trying to, get the process moving a little quicker because they had the car for a little minute now. But yeah, man, so other than that, as you can tell by the title, today we're gonna hop right into the Chaser mods, man. So as you can tell by the title already, we got the wheels in. Man. It is Kanze's, so if y'all know these wheels, you might have an idea of which one I particularly went with for the JDM kind of platform here. Trying to keep it a little JDM style, street style. Just a simple wheel for now until I get the dream wheel that I really want for this car. Don't have the funds for that right now, so that's what we're trying to get some content on with this car. But I had to get off of these stocks, man. These stocks need to go. And I don't know if y'all can see, but these tires are slowly actually getting dry ride as well. So last thing we need is for any blowout, any flat. I already got a plug in this one because we picked up a nail the other day. So we're trying to get the car, the build, the build process starting here. So we're starting off with the wheels. We got our trusty little Neochrome blade, unboxing blade. All right, let's get it. Yo, all y'all car guys know, man, this is like Christmas opening carport. So this is just another warning, don't mount the tires. Shout out to Kanze. That's about to build. They had a little tax sale going on, so hopped on their deal real quick. But hit them up. They got good quality wheels. A lot of people kind of give them, or the purists I should say, they like to give them grief for not being, I don't know, man, the fake wheels, weird wheels, to me it's still real, it's whatever. Got little stickers. I might throw this on there, I don't know yet. Might throw it out on the window. It's gonna be 4 of them. Yeah, man, so let's get into that. Let me actually try to shouldn't have to take it all off. Let's see. Let's keep it simple because I want to keep it nice for when this packaging is nice, not gonna lie. Shout out to Kanze, man. This is real attention to detail even in the packaging to make sure nothing gets damaged in the process. Well, here we go. 1, 2, 3. There we go. It's a little old, keeping the old school JDM feel. So these are the Kanze tandems in the size 18 by 9.5 plus 22 all around. I've been doing a lot of research in the forums and the Facebook groups of what's the best fitment to run on the stock body of the Chaser in general. And see a lot of people running this exact setup. And the tires I have on the way are gonna be 225/40 R18s, obviously. But yeah, man, that's gonna be a little bit of an aggressive. I think it's like on the border of getting aggressive for the stock body. I didn't want anything too aggressive because I didn't want to deal with any, fender work or ridiculous fender work, I should say. Pulling and clearing out my fenders and all that. Eventually, I think I'm gonna go wide body on it. Not right now, but I want to see how the body kit's gonna sit. But I'm gonna give y'all the specs again here real quick so y'all can see it. If y'all can take a screenshot if you're interested. But yeah, man, that is. And these are all squared as well. So 18 by 9.5 plus 22, 5 by 142.3 Kanze tandems. I honestly wanted to get these wheels before too for the Q, but then Arc Performance actually hit me up and hooked me up with that sponsorship for these full forge wheels that they hooked me up with about a year ago, a little over a year ago. So again, shout out to them for Arc Performance for hooking me up. So like I said, I gotta wait for the tires to show up. Keep in mind, I am on stock high right now, so it might look a little monster truckish when I put those on, but then after I put the body kit and then lower it, then it's gonna look all better. So y'all car people, y'all know the process. You know everything takes time, so ain't no rushing. I just had to rush to get these wheels off though. One, for safety, and two, because of the looks. So yeah. And it's actually later in the day. Did a quick little wash up of the Q and the Chaser. But yeah, man, so that's gonna be a quick little video here of the Kanze wheels. Tires should be here sometime this week, so next video should be getting the tires mounted and balanced on the Chaser, man. Can't wait to get this build slowly going, or finally going, I should say. Them stockies gotta go. Gotta go. But yeah, man, so if y'all made this far in the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell notifications. You can get notified every time I post a video. If you're into Q content, as well as JDM, as well as Mustang content as well, go ahead, hit that subscription button, drop a comment down below, and hit that like button. And hit that bell notifications. You get notified every time I post a video. That being said, it's your boy Maha back again with another video. So remember, repetition creates precision, y'all. Let's go.